talk about drawing and light. It's real interesting. When I want to shine light through the night, it's real easy. I go to the dollar store and I get a little flashlight and I can shine that light through a dark night. Now, if I wanted to do that in its opposite, could I go to the store, get a little device, and shine a piece of dark through the day? This guy. Well, you can't do that, Francis. Well, I know I can't. Maybe they could do it at DreamWorks, and put it in the movies in Star Wars. Oh, we could come up with a lightsaber. Well, we already have one. That's called a pencil. That's how we learned how to draw. But light doesn't work like that. Light works like this. So what's going on? These are some of the mysteries that I ponder when I draw. So when I started thinking about the physical properties of light and how we're taught to draw, how? I was in an art show one time. I was doing a little bit of demonstration on this. And a guy says, well, Francis, the cavemen drew like that. That's why we draw like that. So he put a Rolex. There's a little Rolex watch there on this caveman, and he's drawing his lunch, his dinner, and his clothing. So that's how he learned how to draw. And then that's how we learn how to draw. We see through a glass darkly. The Apostle Paul said that. I think it's kind of a neat quote because it says what I'm trying to demonstrate here. Why do we see through a glass darkly? I don't know. Because this is what I'm given when I learn how to draw. And they give me these when I go to get a coloring book. So I get a white coloring book with dark lines on it, and I get dark crayons to fill it in. So I start drawing with a dark saber. Well, how do you draw with a lightsaber? Well, you can reverse that, of course. You can do this. Now that's glass that's been spray painted with flat black and just a lightsaber. Like that. See? And what else you can do is you can draw the Sombrero Galaxy. Oh, I'm sorry, I was upside down. No, it wasn't upside down. It was proper this way, or maybe it goes this way. Anyway, the phone rings one day. What are you doing, Francis? I'm drawing millions and millions of stars. What are you doing? Oh, I get tired of the stars. So I drew something else. I drew a box that's going in and out of your perception. You see the back of it, and then you see the front of it. You're looking down at the top, of the Great Pyramid. There's a little bit of a demonstration there that I want to do in another lesson. So when I get tired of things, well, I just start drawing something else. That's what's really, really cool about art and being an artist. Particle wave, E equals MC, squared off with the pencils.